In this video, I'll show you how you can connect your GoDaddy domain to Vercel. So it's really simple, just follow my steps. So first step, open the project for which you want to connect your domain. So let's say I'm going to open this one. Then from here, click on settings. And from here, choose domains on the left side. And here, click on add a domain. Here you need to paste your GoDaddy domain. So I'm going to copy my domain. So go to domains section in GoDaddy and copy your domain and paste it here. You can keep these things as default and click save. So now as you can see, it's showing us some invalid configuration. So what we need to do is click on it, expand this window, also this one, and we need to add this record and this record. So the first record is a record, this is name, and this is the value. So I'm going to copy the value. So in GoDaddy, click on DNS, and then we need to add those records here. But before that, delete all existing records. So I'm going to delete this one, and I can delete also this one. Then click on delete. So you just need to have like those which you can delete, these records, these are fine. And then click on add a new record. And here you need to paste this first one. So type is A, this is the name, and this is the value. So choose A and paste this symbol and paste the value and click save. So our first DNS record has been updated successfully. Now we need to do second one. So second one is CNAME www, and this is the address. So I'm going to click on add a new record, choose CNAME www, and then paste the address and click save. So this was success also. Now go back to Vercel and click on this refresh button. Keep in mind, it might take some time for DNS records to apply. As you can see, it could take like a couple of hours. Once it's going to be like verified, it will show you valid configuration and you will see the blue check mark here. And that's it. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.